scoop of white thing is coming in my plate.
Now you try your eyes.
Yes. Now let me take a bit of this. Oh, it's so moist. Now take some of this.
I'm also going to cut small bite. Yeah.
Oi, eat some ice cream with it.
Really?
You know what?
Super.
No, Dad, it is not super. You must taste the ice cream with it. Then it's outstanding, guys. Today, we father and son are going to cook something very moist. Dad, just tell them what is this moist item we are going to cook.
Today, we are going to prepare a very delicious moist chocolate cake. It's delicious.
Wait. Hold on a minute, guys. We are serving it with something else as well.
Serving with what?
Come on.
What?
What is it? It is vanilla ice cream. My favorite. Isn't it, Dad?
Correct.
And we have two benefits for this cake. He doesn't know it. It is, we can eat chocolate moist cake along with eating
ice cream.
No, it's not just ice cream.
What?
Vanilla ice cream. That's something you need to add. And guys,
just okay. Come with guys. I will explain you the ingredients of chocolate moist cake.
Okay.
Moist cake ingredients are, I will explain you. Before that, we have to make sure preheat the oven and just dust the baking pan. Actually, I am using the 6-inch baking tray for the baking the cakes, right? First, we have to just apply the butter all over the cake, then just dust the cocoa powder. The dry ingredients are plain flour, granulated white sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cocoa powder. Wet ingredients are eggs, milk, vegetable oil, butter, and finally vanilla essence. Now I am going to sieve all the dry ingredients. First cocoa powder, then plain flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Sieve it like that. Going to add granulated sugar, oil, 2 eggs, milk, clarified butter, and finally just going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Then mix all ingredients very well. Make sure, always remember, we have to mix all the ingredients until this pouring consistency. Then we have to shift into the baking tray for baking. So you have to scrub all the leftover the batter into the pan as well. Make sure that before baking the cake, you have to just tap the tray at least 2 to 3 times. Finally, we have to bake the cake 220 degrees for at least 30 to 35 minutes. So I'm going to adjust the timer.
The cake will take 35 minutes to get baked. So I decided to watch my fish swim in the water. All children watching this video don't handle sharp stuff like this. So you should rather give it to your father or mother, and I'm giving it to my father because he can handle these stuff very well.
Thank you very much.
Okay?
Yes, our cake is ready now.
Oh, very nice.
I'm going to cut. Oh, nice.
It is very moist.
Look the cake.
Oh, so
Yeah,
nice.
Look, very soft, like moist.
Yes.
This for you.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Where is my ice cream?
Oh,
My vanilla ice cream.
don't worry, I'll bring it now.
I
Okay?
need it now. The scoop of white thing is coming in my plate.
Now you try your rice.
Yes. Now let me take a bit of this. Oh, it's so moist. Now take some of this.
I
And
also
then-
going to cut small. Bye. Yeah.
Oi, eat some ice cream with it.
Really
You know what?
super.
No,
I
no,
really
no.
love it.
Dad, it is not super. You must taste the ice cream with it. Then it's outstanding, guys. This is just, I can't say it. It's that good. I mean, with the ice cream, it's kind of like you're feeling something's melting in my mouth.
I will taste fast.
No,
Okay?
it's moist, so it's even better, guys. And you must try this because it's that good. Now tell Dad. I'm
nice.
full, right?
No,
You like
I
it?
don't
right?
give you this all for this all me.
No, I need all this.
Anyway, guys, really very soft cake. Please follow my exact recipe.
Yeah, exact. Don't make any
Exact.
changes.
My description, I'll give proper recipe. Please.
Down.
Where?
Down.
Okay.
You know, if you look down, you'll find it.
Anyway, follow the recipe. And finally, you get perfect cake like this. Very soft.
And very moist. Now, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video. Then what you must do is share this video to all your friends and family members. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Click.
And click the bell. Cling cling.
Ding, ding.
And make sure to give a comment for this video and tell us what do you think about this cake. The comment section is down there, all the way down there. Make sure to give us a comment. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye
Thank you for
bye.
watching.